Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide Instagram story from everyone. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's your profile icon. And click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Close Friends option and click that. And then modify your close friends by choosing only one account. And ideally, it should be someone really famous and is very unlikely to view your story, like Beyonce. Now go back to your homepage or to your profile and you shall create a new Instagram story and choose any video or any photo that you want to post in your story. At the bottom of your screen, you will see options and just choose Close Friends. By this time, only the person in your close friend, which is as for me, it's Beyonce, will be able to view your story. So it's completely hidden from your followers. To remove Beyonce from your close friends, just tap the star icon at the top of your screen and just remove the check mark and click done. And that's it. Your Instagram story is now hidden from everyone. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!